Hello, people. I'm Ryan, and I have been hacking things my whole life. I would personally like to thank you for your support. Watching this video, commenting, thank you for being here. It means a lot to me. I'm doing a 30-day alcohol challenge. This is day 9 or night 9, where I'm making a maker video every single night, replacing the time that I'd normally be sitting in my rocking chair having my COVID glass of evening wine. Tonight, we're going to be making Gasket business cards. Okay, so I didn't get this right on the first try, but I'm going to show you quickly how I laid it out in Illustrator. A business card is 3.5 inches by 2 inches. Sorry for the imperial measuring system. I'm not sure what that is in metric. Someone please comment below what a business card is in metric. But you can make it as small and big as you want it. I just did the traditional size business card for this Gasket business card. I'm hanging out at the pool, not right now, but a couple years ago, maybe in 2018, I was having a grand old time hanging out at the pool, and someone says to me, "What do you do?" I don't talk about my day job a lot, so I tell them I'm a YouTuber. I'm not really a big YouTuber, but it's a fun topic to talk about. I try to tell them what my channel is, and they go, hackLAB or whatever, hackLAB. So I said, no, hackLAB, it's a robot. So anyways, I've decided to print some business cards. And I thought, I really like gaskets. I've always liked gaskets. It's just a shame that they're hidden inside of the pistons and the heads of cars and all this other stuff. So I decided to make a gasket business card. I put this in my 10 top things to make recently for lazy cutting. Lazy cutting, that's pretty good. All right, so every Thursday I do 10 things Thursday, and I did a laser cutting video, and I included these business cards. So I laid it out in Illustrator, used a bunch of different circles. Remember, I got this wrong the first time, so I'm gonna explain that in a second. I used a bunch of different circles to lay things out. I put in my type of my name as big as it could be. The the letters with my underneath my name are 9 point, and I believe that my name is 12 point. After I was done, I went ahead and I removed the outside edge of my guide, and then I rounded the edges on everything a little bit less than a 1/16 of an inch. Once that was done, I was ready to go. I just went ahead and grouped everything that was going to be engraved, and make sure that you do text to outlines on all of the text so that they're shapes. I copy the design over my source design so I can replace it with someone else's name. I have this digital file below, so if you want it, all you have to do is retype over my name, unless you want to hand out my name, and put your own logo at the top. So if you want that SVG, that file is below. Anyways, I went ahead and printed it out as a really quick print. I used draftboard. Draftboard is really inexpensive. An entire sheet of draftboard, here it is, proof grade draftboard. An entire sheet of draftboard is $4. I think over $100 you get free shipping. So if you order a Glowforge, remember you get referral money. So if you make $100 and someone buys a Glowforge, you get $100 and you can buy a lot of materials with it. That's how I buy my materials, is with the Glowforge money. So if you use my link, you save money, and then I save money. And in the future, you can hand out your link to your nephew, nieces, whoever you want. You can even sell one to your child, a Glowforge. So these business cards, the change I made was I was too close to the holes. These holes were too close to this big hole in this gasket. I didn't expect that when I was building out the Illustrator file. So I went back, and after I printed one, I just printed another one. My point is this. Usually you get things right around the second or third time, but just assume that you are going to get it wrong the first time. So don't cut it out of that fancy madangled walnut veneer. Make sure you use draftboard. I'm going to hand these out with draftboard. I'm just going to make a bunch of them, keep them in my car. And if I go to the pool, which would seem really odd to have draftboard business cards at the pool, but you know what? I'm at the pool. So maybe I'll do a clear coat on these after I'm done. But I'm pretty happy with what I got. I have all of my contact information. There it is. Give me a call. you're welcome to do that. Even search my name. I think if you search my name, a famous skateboarder comes up in a sensei. For a while there, I was trying to get high on the Google ratings, but I gave up. I decided to start my YouTube channel. But anyways, if you want these Gasket business cards, the file's below, or just draw some circles. Take a 3-inch by 2.5-inch square and just go at it. I use Illustrator, but you can use Inkscape or Corel Draw or whatever you want. I think I'm getting a little heavier, to be honest with you. But anyways, I get super hungry and I probably get a little bit of moody. Anyways, that's it, guys. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Love you. Take care. Bye. And I hope you make business cards.